Alright, we got the Lakeshore Limited's coming. It's Lakeshore Limited. Also, the train that I recorded in the last video was actually going to Beacon. I thought it was going to Grand Central. That train's to Beacon. It's not going to Beacon. Wow. Maybe it's going into service. I don't know how Poughkeepsie that's for if this live in service. This one's coming in. Chicago Limited. Soul Meteor. The Soul Meteor is coming in. Oh yeah, it's a regular train. Oh, they have a car behind it. Wow, it's other cars. There's another car.
Northbound Amtrak train number 49. The 426 to Albany Rensselaer, Buffalo and Chicago. Now arriving on track 3.
Buffalo and
Please look for the
Chicago.
conductors to board the train. Tunnel doors will open on the Amtrak train, so
Look at
please
this
find
one.
the conductors to board. Once again, Amtrak train number 49. 426
No. The sports show. Sports show. Yeah. Oh, it's a rail fanner. Looks like more rail fanners here.